What's up, guys? It's Jared with Jared's Polishing. Just want to show you guys some tips and maybe some tricks for you guys on keeping your aluminum nice. I know I get a lot of questions and comments about how you keep your aluminum nice and what I use and what technique I use. Now, we polished this wheel probably 2 months ago. It is the rear axle of a trailer, so it does get beat up a lot quicker and easier than maybe a steer wheel. So you can see it's got some white spots in it. You know, obviously this close it looks a lot worse than from here. So I'm going to show you how I would go about if I own this wheel. We're not going to cut and color these or anything crazy. Just going to give it an old hand rub. I'm going to use the Renegade Products Rebel Red, the heavy cut. Some guys will say, well, why do you need heavy cut on a wheel that's not this bad? I always look at it as more is better. So we're going to use that. That's what I use. You can use whatever you prefer. I don't argue with anybody about which products they use or how they use them, because polishing is not fun. So if you find that something works better for you or you like a different product, so be it. We use Renegade stuff. I think I like the customer support side of it. It works for me. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to use a wax applicator pad. I use the cotton ones, not the microfiber ones. I don't think it makes a big difference, but it's what I use. So I'm just going to start rubbing. You know, stay in the grain of the wheel. You know, like I said, this is just a maintenance step. I would probably, you know, I have aluminum wheels on my service truck now, so I'm learning a lot more about the maintenancing of these wheels. You know, before it was showing up and polishing the aluminum to our best of our abilities, getting paid and leaving. I'm learning more about the maintenance side of it. So I've been playing with my wheels, learning, you know, I guess more tips and tricks on that end of it. So I would literally rub this whole wheel out. Guys, you could probably spend 5 to 10 minutes at most, and you will have a great shine. You know, yeah, it's not going to be perfect, you know, from sanding and buffing it, but you're going to get a lot of shine back, a lot of the marks in the wheel back out. Probably spend about, like I said, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I take a microfiber. I call this the in-between rag. It's pretty nasty, it's not perfect, and then I'll rub off in the same pattern as you just seen me apply. I'll rub off the heavy polish, and I'll actually go on and leave that final haze on there, and I'll go on and polish the next wheel, and then I'll wipe the heavy off. I do that just because some of these polishes, and I'm not saying Renegades is like that. I used to use an older polish prior to Renegade that it was just as hard to take off as it was to put on, and so I will literally do that, let this final haze up, and then I'll go in with a final rag, and I'll wipe off the last little bit of haze. And obviously it's not perfect. You got some sunlight coming in pretty heavy on it. but you can see the difference from here to there. And obviously we are right up close, so you're gonna see everything that close. But from there you can see kind of the difference. But now you got another layer of wax. Like I said, you could rub these 4 trailer wheels in under half an hour, so, and have a pretty moderate shine back. So, alright guys, well, I hope everybody's having a good day. It's definitely hot out. Hope everybody's staying hydrated. I'm gonna go on and finish all this stuff up. I am on vacation next week, so you probably won't see much of me. I'm gonna try to post more of these videos to help you guys out, and go from there. Alright guys, thanks for watching and following. Talk to you soon.